Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to create Amazon KDP account. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is simply go and search for Amazon KDP, just like so, then enter the first option that you'll actually get, then click on join KDP. And now what you should do is to simply enter your first name, last name, email, and password, or simply click on sign in if you have already an account. Okay, now once you enter your email, you'll have to agree to the terms and conditions. So simply click on agree right here. Once you click on agree, now you will have to navigate to your account on the top right here. Once you go to your account, you'll have to enter your full name, your legal name, as it is existing on your national ID or driving license. Then you will have to provide your address, which is the same that you have on your national ID or the passport. Add the address 1, address 2, and date of birth, phone number, then hit the save and continue button. Once you're all done, you will be navigated to this page. Now you'll have to choose the account details type. You will have to choose between individual or corporation. Add the account holder, tell us about your bank. Where is your bank? Do you have a type of checking or savings account? Type the IBAN number, the BIC code, the business type. Is it individual or corporation? The date of birth. And once you're all done, click on add. If you have an existing address, click on select existing address, then click on use this address. And now we will have to complete the tax questionnaire. So simply click on complete tax questionnaire. Then you will have to answer all these questions. What is your tax classification, business or individual? Are you a United States citizen? So answer all the questions honestly. Then you should add more information. Then choose the country of tax residence. Then click on save and preview. And now you will be redirected to this page. Here you have this certification. You should read it carefully and provide the data needed. Then scroll down a little bit and hit the save. And now here you can see this is the final page that you'll actually be directed to. Simply click on exit interview and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.